move and slap. Now I keep the light on me, so I move in that. And got a brand new residence, ain't moving back. See, man, a dream I have, can you picture that? But picture me, dog, inside that fact, that's where I'm at. So if the haters gon' test me, I won't pass it back. But sometimes I feel like I need to flash the black. But I ain't flashy at all, I'm just bringing it back. I got a dream and a cause, you see this cross on my back, it's real life. It's the way that I live, a grown man. So I dare not kid you. These kids on the corner, I done did what they do. Up all night and all day like clockwork. Where they live on a block all day, so they keep work. With that black curve circle the street looking for body work.
First of all, ain't no punk in my DNA. Growing up in the all in equipped with much confidence. Growing up in the it ain't where you're from, it's where you're at. Growing up in the leave the city. Growing up in the
respect the MC that creeps the mean streets.
His vision, decisions made to pave the way. Every day stepping closer, they focus on the grave. They're hopeless, don't pray, sustain. Stained by filth till they obtain guilt. Cause pain kills ambitions and dreams. His vision's unseen, killing for cream like whips dripping the means of survival. Suicidal, Dr. Idol, he hides those. Continue to get your mind blown like bombs explode. Dreams corrode, the seeds are sown to feed his own. He proceeds till weed is grown the true green he blows, which defeats the soul. And aspirations of leaving home, his dreams are gone, left behind, rhyming on street corners, doing everything he can, receiving quarters, saving it up to meetings. Meet the meat is rare, dreams are bloody on the streets over there.
First of all, ain't no punk in my DNA. Growing up in the all in equipped with much confidence. Growing up in the it ain't where you're from, it's where you're at. Growing up in the leave the city. Growing up in the
We in the hood now, still it's all good now.
What you know about this dream? Mindset for making cream. Only out to do this one thing. Blinding with the bling while I elevate and snap your heartstrings. Eliminate the fake while this rapping art sings. Got love in the streets where they lust for dark green. But I'm above the deceit like a dove with dark wings. My blood is complete from the cross I start clean. But truth hurts like a poison dart stings. My soul's marked free from influence of substances that we misuse. Making life difficult, living through all the issues. Build you up to tear you back down, just like this biz do. But he heals you up to carry you back down, so we can lift you up above the muck. My people feeling like they stuck. See them knocking off their family just to make another buck. Sell their body on the corners just to make another buck. But this life, if you want it right here, so listen up. I got a dream and a cause. You see this cross on my back, man. A dream I have. Can you picture that? Ambitions and dreams, killing for cream. What you know about this dream? Only out to do this one thing. So listen close.
First of all, ain't no punk in my DNA. Growing up in the all in equipped with much confidence. Growing up in the it ain't where you're from, it's where you're at. Growing up in the leave the city. Growing up in the
Neighborhood's got my back, it's combat.